Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very interesting video about a low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x, and you guys will see what I mean. And the one I am talking about is Safefairmoon, not SafeMoon, Safefairmoon. Now the reason this token stands out to me the most is because this actually has a use. Unlike some other tokens, this one actually audits all the smart contracts, and I'll explain what that means. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time and you don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market and the stock market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video to help me and you out, as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the positive side of Safefairmoon. They decided to buy it and it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Now first of all, let's just look at the website design. You can see it looks very nice, and the reason for that is because this website just got released this week and it is brand new. It looks really nice to me. While you earn passive income with Safefairmoon, the utility token behind the top secret auditing platform. Now the main purpose behind this token is to audit other smart token contracts that come out to see if they are safe for the community and also if it's safe to invest in and you will not lose your money. And that is the main purpose, and it actually has a real life use, which makes this token a little bit more unique compared to just random pump and dump tokens. Now if you scroll down just a little bit, you can see what is Safefairmoon. It's the utility token behind the security platform. They haven't told us yet. There is going to be a release date that will tell us the platform, which provides auditing service for more securities on Binance Smart Chain. The token is very similar to Safemoon as it is deflationary principle and rewards everyone that is holding on to it. Now Safefairmoon is actually community driven. There is no dev team or marketing tokens at launch, so no one is holding on to it. There is no whales on this token. Just like you, we community members who work for the project had to buy our tokens on an open market. The contract is safe, liquidity is locked for 79 years, and there is no way to sabotage this spaceship. If you scroll down a little bit more just to see how it works, so every single transaction there will be 2% that will be charged. 1% will be going to the people who are holding on to the token because they want people to be long-term holders. So 1% of that will be spread around all the people that are holding on, and the other 1% will be provided to liquidity. More liquidity just means there is more stable price, so even if someone decides to sell huge amount of Safefairmoon in one time, the price will not crash. Now boys and girls, if you think that is great, another great thing is all the money that will be made through audits, the profit that will be made, a small percentage of that will be used for buyback. So what that means is they will buy their own token and burn it. Yes, you heard it right. They are just trying to decrease the amount of supply there is around in the market, therefore increasing the price. Now, the reason I'm very excited about this project is this project is only released close to 16 days ago, and it already has so many ideas and at the same time so different from all the small altcoins. Now, this is the top secret thing that you keep seeing on the screen. So top secret, or whatever they are working with, will be announced in 19 days and 13 hours. Yes, you heard it right. In 19 days and 13 hours, they will be making a huge announcement telling us what company they are working under, what security platform they will be using, how they will be using it, when they will be using it. Also, all the holders will be getting more benefits. So overall, they do have some very good ideas for the future. But looking at their roadmap, you guys can see the stage 1 has come to an end, but in stage 2 they have still a lot of things to talk about. By a lot of things, I mean finalizing the marketing strategy, release the white paper, coin market cap listing, CoinGecko listing, Blockfolio listing. All of this has already been requested by the community and might be happening very soon. Now these things haven't even happened and there is already so much hype around this coin. Now in stage 2, which is going to be second quarter of 2021, they want to continue to conduct customer audits, which is obviously going to be any smart token that comes in the way. They want to start their own platform development. Then they want to also release the V2 just in quarter 2. So that's actually a lot of things. Inventory and define further roadmap for quarter 4. Right now they only have quarter 2 and quarter 3, but in quarter 4 they even want to do more. Continue to conduct customer audits, first official token buyback event, preparation for reward holders further, and also platform release V3. Now, one thing I like about this token is they always put the holders first. You guys might have noticed in every single one of them, they always say, hey, we're going to be preparing for more rewards for the holders. We want the holders to make the most most out of holding onto the token. And if we actually talk about the audits, they are not just talking about random audits. They have already done a couple of them. First of all, they have done their self. Second one, Save Planet Earth. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys might have heard of that token. And the other one is BSCSHIBA, which is the one we just talked about yesterday. Now there is also other ones which such as Ecuador, Daddy Shark, Moon Pirate, Fairmoon 2. Now boys and girls, keep in mind this token is only 17 days old and they have already done 8 audits, and some of the tokens we have actually heard of and they have a lot of hype around them. I'm pretty sure those token teams would not give the audit to someone that is a noob and doesn't know what they're doing. At the moment we can see that this token has a good holding. At the moment there are close to 2,200 holders and there's been 11,000 transfers or transactions at the moment. That's still a lot of people. Keep in mind the total supply is only 5 billion, so the price could be much higher. But if we just look at the price chart, personally I actually agree with what the team was saying with the liquidity. As you guys can see, the price is much more stable compared to all the altcoins which are this size. They go extreme highs, then extreme lows, extreme high, extreme low. But on the other hand, Safefairmoon is actually doing really well. They had their initial spike, then they had the initial drop, but after that, once they had the second spike, they have been a lot more stable rather than just crashing completely. This is great for a token. If they can actually maintain the price they are on, that means there is not extreme whales that are just making the price drop extremely, and also there is not that people that are just in it for the money. They are going to be long-term holders and are thinking of investing rather than just quick money. Does that make sense? I know a lot of you guys always have the question, Sky, is this rug proof? And in my opinion, yes, it is rug proof because there is no extreme whales and there is no CEO or owner. It is community owned. Now looking at their Twitter, you guys can see they have a decent following, close to 600, because not many people know of them yet, but I feel like this community is going to grow very quickly. Talking about their Telegram, they have close to 1,400 members and 400 of them are online at the moment. Now I know a lot of you guys might have the question, Sky, how do I purchase this token? It's very simple. You guys need to make a trust wallet. Then inside of your trust wallet, you need to go ahead and purchase some BNB and put it in the trust wallet. Then you need to make your way into your trust wallet, change it to Smart Chain. Once it's changed to Smart Chain, you need to make your way to PancakeSwap. Once you're on PancakeSwap, go to the top right and connect your wallet. Once it is connected, you guys just need to set from as BNB Smart Chain, and then the second one, which is 2, you need to go ahead and put in Safefairmoon. And the way you're going to be putting Safefairmoon is you need to click on select, then you guys need to go ahead and copy the contact address. If you do not know where to find it, you just need to make your way to their website, and literally on the home page you will see it right under the We Make DeFi Safer. Right under there is the contract address. You just need to go ahead and get it, paste it, and you just need to go ahead and select the coin. Once it's selected, just click on swap, and then you guys will get yourself some Safefairmoon, and it will be put inside of your trust wallet. Make sure you put in as much as you want, so 1 BNB, 2 BNB, how much ever you want. With that out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I know you guys love to hear what I think about this token. I personally feel like it's a good long-term hold because this community is thinking about long-term rather than just quick pump and dump. That's just my opinion. With that out of the way, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Subscribe, drop a like on it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.